Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, we're going to show you how to set up and use the screen distance feature on your iPhone running iOS 18. This handy tool helps reduce eye strain by reminding you to hold your phone at a safe distance. Let's dive in. First things first, let's launch the Settings app. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Screen Time. Tap on it. Now, in the Screen Time menu, keep scrolling down to the Limit Usage section and tap on Screen Distance. You'll see a brief overview of what screen distance does. Tap Continue. Review the next pop-up, and then simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. And there you have it. Setting up and using screen distance on your iOS 18 iPhone is a simple yet effective way to protect your eyes. We highly recommend enabling this feature. Consider subscribing to our channel for more helpful smartphone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.